Good morning, guys. I just finished to cut everything around the field because I have to start preparing the structure to dry the rice, which I have no idea how to do it, more or less. I have seen some from some neighbors, so I might be able to do it. So I cut everything there to make, I think a couple will be enough, but the rice is I couldn't take it last week because it's still it was still some parts a little bit green, and because I couldn't do it, it became like this because of the weight and the weight of the rice and the weight of the water and everything in the morning. It makes that the rice goes like this. This is a problem if you cut with the machine, because of course maybe the machine didn't cut the correct place, but if you do it by hand it shouldn't be a problem. In fact, I was checking the ones I did last week, and apart because it has been raining almost every day, so it's really wet everything, but this looks really nice. I mean, really nice. So I think I'm gonna do it if I have time this weekend, and this weekend means today I have to help a friend to make his fields. So I still don't know which time we will start. So right now I'm gonna rush home. I'm gonna bring everything to put some structures there. I'm gonna try to do it, and if I manage to do it, I might start cutting and hanging some of the parts that I have time, like this part of the field. This part of the field is done. I mean, this part of the field is done, so I have to start cutting this. So I'm gonna rush home. When I came, I will try to make a video doing the structures. So yeah, see you in a bit. Bye bye. Okay, so let's try to build something. So I assume it's something like this. I will build, because I saw one neighbor and it has it like in this direction. I assume because the wind, he does every year like this. So I will try to copy his direction. So I will make the new one around here, and then I will put the top one, and I will try to cut some rice, tie it, and hang it. So let's keep building. should be fine. Okay, so the structure looks like this. I ham myself and it's fine. So if, for example, we take both that we did the other day, just an example. Yeah, we take both. Can smell like, and then we come here and hang it. 1 second. Yeah, so it will be something like this, but with much more, and I'm pretty sure I will have to make new one there or another one, but okay, so now I'm gonna tape another rope on top, and yeah, let's cut some rice from here, make the knot and hang it there. Yeah, I would love to have some. I might have to go home 1 second to get some wood here here to like work a little bit dry. So yeah, I will go, I will come back and let's continue. Second, bye bye.